how to find and see all your transaction history on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see all your transaction history on your account on Freelancer easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Freelancer. This is the home page. Now go to the top here on your profile, click on your name and go down. You will find this transaction history option. Click on it. Now here you will find all your transaction and you can export them from here if you want. Click export as PDF or CSV and it's gonna be downloaded to your computer. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.